Bell here, and in this video, you'll learn how investing in small cap companies known as penny stocks can not only make you money, but can make you rich. You see, in 2001, I went from being a broke college student, living out of my car, starving during the cold, brutal winters of Lawrenceville, Georgia, to today, making sweet profits by trading penny stocks. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take as little as $250 and see it double or even triple. You'll see how I trade, make a lot of money, and how you can too, even if you've never executed a trade before or even opened an online trading account. Today, my friend, you'll have the grand opportunity to learn step by step how to trade with the authority when it comes to picking winners with penny stocks.
You may have tried other newsletters out there and got burnt in the past. I understand that, but this is not the stock trading robot where two owners promise you great returns. This isn't about playing games with paid promotions and pump and dumps that leaves you out holding worthless shares. That stops today. If you're spending time wondering if this newsletter takes your money and never gives you picks, you can knock that off right now, because we are the authority when it comes to picking winners with penny stocks. We do not or have not received any money from any companies to promote their stocks like other newsletters out there do. Even if you've been taken in before, like most of us have, by now, you're smart enough to know that newsletters out there like that never work.
I received cool little quotes from really smart people that have come and gone, and here's a little ditty that I've received from a man named George Clayson, and it goes like this.
Gold laboreth diligently and contently for the wise owner who finds for it profitable employment, multiplying even as the flocks of the field.
Well, here's a law for profitable employment of your gold.
Fact. Gold and penny stock millionaire members make money.
What we do is we find the winners with penny stocks and we deliver them to you time and time again.
I promise you that Gold and Penny Stock millionaire members have the power to become rich, take control of their life, health, and money, experience the freedom to play golf, learn how to fly, or pull the boat out in the ocean and go fishing at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And where could you be in just 20 golden trades? What would you do if you had the freedom to do the things that you wanted? Maybe learn how to scuba dive, go on that family vacation, maybe go snorkel in the Caribbean waters with your children. Or how about finally going skydiving, pay off those pesky debts and student loans, or have the dream house you've always wanted? Trust me when I say penny stocks is the absolute killer way to double and triple your money, to live the life you want, to fire your boss, or not. Maybe that stuff doesn't seem exciting, I don't know. But I do know living in my car 10 years ago has taught me that being broke sucks. So does not having enough money. And living from paycheck to paycheck is no better. Living like that, you find out that life looks much different than what it really is. So do people and problems. You experience frustrations around every corner. You go deeper into credit card debts, just trying to get out of debt. And a small problem becomes a crisis real quick. If that's you, let me tell you, that's not experiencing true life or the freedom that you really want. I know, been there, but I've got news for you. Today, victory is yours. We've spent years researching penny stocks, learning their behavior, studying the markets, dissecting the movements, and identifying the cycles that move the markets. And as a result, we've developed our simple system. We just like to call it the golden penny stock system. Just an amazing stock picking system that spots penny stocks that are ready to blow up. There's no bull attach, there's no pump and dump, and we don't mess around with paid promotions. Just gold quality picks you can trust. You won't believe what you're missing. You'll not only see how the smartest people in the world are becoming rich by trading penny stocks, but how average folks that have never been involved in a stock market are making a killing like the super rich. GPSM produces wealthy, intelligent, and market-educated people through our newsletter service. And our stock picking system is going to make you money. And I'm not just talking about extra pocket change. Heck, I mean, if you want to do that, you could work part-time delivering pizzas. And there's nothing wrong with that. But what I'm talking about is having an extraordinary life. How much do you want? As Benjamin Franklin said, it's all about the Benjamins, yo. Kidding, kidding.
An investment in knowledge pays the best dividends. With that in mind, let's get started.
What we do is we focus on the ideas that have the highest probability of making money. We use Western and Eastern technical very well balanced with moving averages and fractals. We also incorporate strict fundamentals, which is important for younger companies that may become super stocks. Examining the company's financial and operations help us to find value penny stock companies with growth potential. Now, most penny stock companies are startup companies. Then there are the bottom bouncers. That's a term we use to identify the rock star companies that have fallen from a higher share price and have hit bottom. We like those. Let me change that. We love those because when this happens, we get to look at the ROE, which is a return on equity. This is just an indication to the management's effectiveness. Once we spot the changes we're looking for, we take that ROE, pair it with the rest of our formula, and then we can begin to forecast how much the stock price will rise and to what level. So we show you where to get in and where to take gains. Our system equals profits, and our results are we make money.
Most people are comfortable getting into stocks. They just don't know when to sell. And timing the trade's entry and exit point is just as critical as breathing when it comes to making money with penny stocks.
Knowing when to buy and sell is very important. Here's a recent trade that went up like 300% depending on if you got in and out on our formula's entry and exit recommendations. CDBK is just a bank that provides commercial and retail banking services in Washington State. Our system identified the entry and exit point between 14 cents a share and around 60 cents a share. That's where we exited. That was a very nice trade. We also forecast the price movements of stocks by also identifying the human behavior, which is known as the psychologies of the markets. Once fear and greed starts to take place, we put the bulls and the bears to work for us. We alert you when to buy low and when to sell high. We'll find those stocks that are going to be the next bank account builders. DPTR, this is another one of our trades. The system alerted this stock at 72 cents a share and we exited the trade at $1.05. Not every trade is going to be a home run hitter, and that's where most people make their mistakes. Taking profits is the name of the game, and knowing when to exit is the key. Our system identifies that.
We talked about fear and greed earlier. It hinders most traders.
It causes them to make very critical errors with their trading strategies. And as a result, well, it's painful. They lose money consistently, but losses do occur. And they're usually caused by indecision, emotional imbalance, and the lack of discipline. We've incorporated hedges in our system, which is designed to minimize those kinds of losses. We want to do two things, yet three. Identify bull runs, take profits, and don't lose money. Even in a bad economy, penny stocks are very volatile. So let's sum it all up. Our formula involves tech and fundamental analysis with fractals to forecast the entry and exit point of each stock that we bring to you. We've spent a ton of money and time developing our golden system with hard work and focus. This is what gives us the highest probability of making money when it comes to trading. We find the quality trades, deliver them to you via your email box once you become a member. The Golden Penny Stock Millionaire Members newsletter will show you exactly where to set your stop losses so that your initial investment is protected with most stocks. We'll show you where to set your sell orders so you can have peace of mind taking profits while you're away from your computer. We'll provide you with updates daily to the stocks with recent news and charts so that you're in the know. We back up our system with an 8-week full money back guarantee. You'll have up to 2 full months to see if GPSM stock subscription newsletter will work for you. You'll have support from us via email and video. We'll also show you step by step how to invest in the markets. We'll also show you when to buy and when to sell. You're probably thinking, William, this sounds wonderful, but how much is it going to cost me? Before I do that, let me show you what else you're getting once you become a member today. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to our valuable and coveted Refining to Pure Gold video training series. This is where we'll teach you how to accumulate riches and how to keep them, which I think is the most important goal. I mean, how many NBA players and lotto winners have hit it big only to lose it all? In those videos, we're going to show you the secrets of the super rich, not in only how to accumulate wealth, but the most guarded secrets, how to keep it. Our videos are how to open a trading account. Now, this is a step-by-step video guide from start to finish to opening your first brokerage account. If you're an experienced trader, you'll see the value in this. Our second video is the 7 deadly mistakes people make when trading penny stocks. Thirdly, the Kingmaker Blueprint. To make $1 million, it takes skill. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. Fourth video is the Wealth Thief. How to protect your wealth. And I'm not just talking about taxes. You'll be surprised in what you'll discover.
Trading does take education, and there are a lot of dynamics involved, but we got you covered. We set up our videos so that you'll have the confidence that you need when trading penny stocks. Our monthly subscription newsletter is going to be $15 per month. However, there will be a price increase to $47 in the near future. Once you become a member today, you'll be grandfathered in at that price.
You shouldn't have to worry about money or sit back and watch life pass you by, day by day. Don't you think it's time for the ordinary to go away, along with the lack of freedom, the office cubicles, the break room, and the bosses? You know, that mundane repetitiveness that happens in life. Now, it's your chance to take the zest that life offers you by the horns. I mean, why shouldn't you?
GPSM is the authority when it comes to trading penny stocks. We trust that you'll put our system to work for you, and you have our utmost integrity when you become a member. Earlier I said being broke sucks. I started trading in the stock market when I was 18 years old, and after finding myself living in my car, I figured out something. Financial freedom isn't limited to certain people. Well, not anymore. The internet has leveraged the gap between Wall Street and Main Street.
And you don't have to trust your broker to manage your money today. The internet has broken down the walls, and golden penny stock millionaires have balanced the scales. Today, you can avoid the high brokerage fees, the double talk, the overpaid and out of touch full service brokers, and the stock newsletters out there that are simply outrageously expensive when it comes to their price. Today, GPSM is going to donate 10% of your subscription cost to the Into Africa charity fund.
I know that you're a good person, and think about how much more you'll do as a member for only $15 per month. Investing in your personal wealth has never been or will never be more rewarding, and you don't have to get burnt by another stock trading robot or automated system or whatever. Remember, there's a 100% money back guarantee, so take the full 60 days to consume our trading picks and our videos. Lastly, I'm running out of time. But if you are still wondering about the stock market, or you haven't bought that house on the beach yet, I want you to head to the website and do these 3 things.
So head to the website today, enter your email address accurately to receive your free video. Sign up today and become a member for only $15 per month before the price goes away and the membership cost is up to $47 per month. Receive all 4 videos and you'll have your first stock pick delivered to you in your inbox within minutes. And if you've never executed a trade before, watch our video on how to open a trading account. It will be tremendously useful to you.
I believe that people should have the opportunity to do the things that you want to do, because dreams don't retire. And when you team up with us, we'll help you get to where you want to be by trading along with the best. And as you get on the road to wealth, remember, every man dies, but not every man truly lives. With that said, I'm off to find the next hot penny stock for you. Stay tuned.
Because I know you're within and then one. Cause I'm telling you, cause you know the one that I take over and you let me see you do the run. Give it the back of the line because I'm telling you what bomb telling